Number 1. Jump Fury. The wheels of Jump Fury, a radio-controlled car, appear larger than the car itself, serving a purposeful design. This car boasts the remarkable ability to leap off nearly any surface, be it vertical or horizontal. The soft and durable wheels prevent damage to the car and other surfaces during play. Agile and compact, Jump Fury can rotate on its axis and even has a flight mode, enabling it to jump up to 22 inches. This feature allows for improvised obstacle courses, challenging the car to overcome various objects within the household. The price for this entertaining toy is $40. Number 2. Casting. With casting, gone are the days of waking up early and traveling long distances to experience the joys of fishing. Casting is a virtual reality game that enables fishing from anywhere, at any convenient time. The system consists of a mobile app, a specialized box placed at your feet, and a fishing rod with a smartphone holder. This combination creates an incredibly realistic fishing experience. The computer generates bites, while the rod's built-in sensors detect movements and actions, mimicking those of a real fisherman. The box beneath your feet adds tension, simulating the sensation of a fish tugging at the line. The virtual ocean features approximately 70 different fish species, each with unique behaviors, bait preferences, and habitats within the simulated three-dimensional space. Casting guarantees addictive gameplay and is available for $300. Number 3. Sphero Mini Activity Kit. The Sphero Mini, a small and agile spherical robot, is controlled through a mobile app. The kit includes 28 parts, allowing for the construction of various obstacle courses for the robot. The manufacturer provides 15 activity cards, offering diverse games such as mini bowling and remote-controlled car functionalities. Sphero Mini also acts as a controller for specially designed mobile games. Its visual programming capability enables the execution of different commands. The price of the toy ranges from $80 to $90, depending on the kit's contents. Number 4. Zax, the throwing axe toy, offers endless hours of entertainment, whether you're playing indoors or outdoors. It is equipped with suction cups that securely adhere to various surfaces, allowing for a reliable grip during play. Designed with safety in mind, Zax eliminates any sharp parts, ensuring a risk-free experience for users of all ages. The manufacturer of Zax provides multiple throwing techniques to keep players engaged and challenged. Whether you're aiming for precision or trying out different throwing styles, this toy offers versatility and excitement. Priced at $18, Zax is an affordable option for those seeking an entertaining and safe toy. Number 5. Fin Gears. The renowned American company, Fin Gears, has revived the popularity of spinners with their innovative version. Consisting of 3 interconnected rings held together by magnets, this toy offers endless possibilities. The rings can freely move in any direction, allowing for versatile tricks and maneuvers. While the manufacturer provides 10 suggested tricks, players can also create their own. Additionally, combining multiple sets extends the experimentation and fine motor skill development. Priced at $15 for the plastic finish and $99 for the wooden version.
Number 6. DJI RoboMaster S1. The following toy not only guarantees enjoyment but also fosters learning. The RoboMaster S1 can be controlled using a specialized remote control. Even in its basic functionality, this toy showcases advanced technology, featuring a built-in camera and impressive mobility, including sideways and diagonal movement. It offers exceptional maneuverability and the ability to overcome minor obstacles. As a learning companion, the RoboMaster S1 aids in understanding various subjects such as physics, mathematics, programming, and robotics. Its learning capabilities allow it to learn commands, distinguish objects and colors, and execute predetermined algorithms. Additionally, the RoboMaster S1 supports competitive races, where robots can disable opponents and shoot gel balls using the integrated blaster. The price of this multifunctional toy is $550. Number 7. Balloon Puncher. Youku, a Chinese brand, has introduced an exciting and innovative product called Balloon Puncher, aiming to revive the interest in inflatable balloons. Balloon Puncher is a unique radio-controlled robot that features a rotating body with articulated arms, with a balloon serving as its head. The game revolves around exchanging blows with an opponent until one of the balloons bursts, adding an element of suspense and thrill to the experience. This ingenious creation by Youku offers a fresh and engaging way to enjoy balloons, combining playfulness with interactive technology. The Balloon Puncher toy brings excitement to gatherings, parties, or even solo play. With its intuitive controls and dynamic movements, it promises endless hours of entertainment for children and adults alike. Available at a starting price of $50, Youku's Balloon Puncher presents a reasonably priced option for those seeking a novel and enjoyable addition to their toy collection. Number 8. Shelby Destroyer. The Shelby Destroyer is an impressive toy weapon that underwent several months of engineering to ensure optimal performance. After testing 17 trigger mechanisms, the engineers found the perfect one, enabling the foam discs to be fired with exceptional effectiveness. Despite being soft, lightweight, and completely safe, the foam projectiles fly out of the blaster at high velocities, accurately hitting their targets. The Shelby Destroyer outshines similar blasters with its adjustable power, firing rate of 6 rounds per second, speed ranging from 75 to 110 miles per hour, improved accuracy, and extended range. Thanks to its streamlined design, the blaster's magazine holds 120 discs, reducing the need for frequent reloads. Its realistic appearance and customizable lighting add to its futuristic appeal. The starting price for this toy is $217. Number 9. MTS 255. A notable firearm hailing from Russia has garnered considerable interest, the revolver shotgun. Its experimental models first emerged in 1993, and variations were subsequently developed in 12, 20, and 28 gauges. Weighing in at approximately 6.8 to 8.2 pounds, this unique single-barrel revolver shotgun boasted a 5-round cylinder and notably lacked a safety mechanism. Originally crafted with hunting in mind, the 12-gauge variant garnered significant popularity among enthusiasts. Unfortunately, production of these firearms has ceased, rendering the remaining units highly coveted collectibles among firearm aficionados and collectors alike. Number 10. Cypher Gun. An imaginative 3D artist has brought forth an awe-inspiring creation, a meticulously designed gun that appears as though it belongs within the virtual realm of a video game. Notably, this intricate design has been crafted to match a 1-to-1 scale model, allowing enthusiasts to bring it to life using the advanced capabilities of a 3D printer. With its striking aesthetics and futuristic appeal, this exceptional gun serves as an ideal gift for avid sci-fi enthusiasts, capable of adorning a prominent place on any collector's shelf. The artist wholeheartedly encourages viewers to engage with the creation, inviting them to offer their valuable feedback and ratings, further fueling the evolution of this extraordinary piece.